After 50, stubborn belly fat and daily back stiffness can make moving feel uncomfortable. Forget intense workouts. This gentle Tai Chi routine safely burns calories, unwinds back pain, and restores ease to every step. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 1. Step back with overhead clap. Step back gently into a soft lunge as you clap overhead. This dynamic motion activates your core to burn belly calories while opening your shoulders and lengthening your spine to melt lower back tension. 3, 2, 1, rest. Three, 2, 1, go! Exercise 2. Knee lift with arm extension. Lift your knee while crossing your arms, then expand wide. Lifting the knee engages your lower abs to target belly fat, while sweeping your arms opens the chest and alleviates mid-back strain. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 3. Side tap arm stretch. Tap your foot to the side while stretching both arms. This full body movement fires up your waistline to reduce side belly fat while gently expanding your ribcage to relieve lower back pressure. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 4. Marching in place with front and back claps. March rhythmically in place while clapping front and back. This gentle aerobic flow boosts full body circulation for overall calorie burn, opening tight shoulders and unblocking upper back stiffness. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 5. Forward bend and back stretch. Gently lean back with arms high, then bend forward with a straight spine. This back and forth flow deeply massages abdominal organs, melts belly stiffness, and gives your entire spine a healing stretch. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 6. Marching in place with big arm swings. Keep marching on the spot with larger, relaxed arm swings. Increasing your movement range maximizes calorie burn around your midsection while loosening deep shoulder and back muscle tension. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 7. Alternating arm reaches. Stand with feet apart, extending one arm straight up and the other to the side. This targeted reach engages your side obliques to trim belly fat while deeply lengthening the spine to relieve back compression. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 8. Front and back foot taps. Gently tap your foot to your hands, alternating front and back. This gentle balance movement naturally strengthens your core for a flatter stomach and increases hip mobility to take the pressure off your lower back. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 9. Front heel tap with bicep curls. Tap your front heel with a straight leg, shifting weight back, while curling your arms up. This engages your abdominal muscles for calorie burn and gently stretches your lower body to ease lower back tension. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 10. Torso twists with shoulder taps. Swing your arms to twist your body, gently tapping your opposite shoulder and lower back. This relaxing twist wrings out belly fat and stimulates blood circulation to melt away deep tension in your neck and spine. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 11. Heel lifts with arm swings. Reach arms forward. then swing them back as you lift your heels. Lifting your heels strengthens your core to trim the waistline, while swinging arms opens your chest to instantly improve your posture and relieve upper backaches. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 12. Overhead pull downs. Reach up high, then pull your elbows down, lifting your chest and squeezing your back. This powerful movement engages your entire back to correct slouching, while stretching your abdomen to aid in healthy digestion and fat loss. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 13. Gentle waist swings. Swing your arms gently around your waist as your torso twists, letting your head naturally follow the movement. This relaxing twist fires up belly fat burning while releasing deep tightness along your lower back and spine. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 14. Marching with backward arm swings. Reach both arms straight forward, then swing them backward in sync with your gentle marching steps. This rhythmic movement boosts your metabolism for belly fat reduction while unblocking upper back stiffness and opening your chest. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 15. Chest hug and arm swings. Cross your arms in a firm self-hug, then swing them wide open to both sides. Hugging stretches your upper back muscles to melt away aches, while swinging wide engages your core to help trim your waistline. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 16. High knee lift with arm pulls. Reach arms overhead and pull them down firmly as you drive your knee up. This high-energy Tai Chi move targets stubborn lower belly fat while strengthening your back to give your spine solid supporting power. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 17, crossbody arm stretch. Hold one arm flat across your chest and use the other arm to press it back gently, alternating sides. This restorative stretch dissolves stubborn shoulder and upper back tightness while restoring smooth, pain-free upper body movement. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 18, gentle half squat with arm reach. Sink into a soft half squat while reaching both arms straight overhead. Squatting activates your lower body and core to maximize fat burn, while reaching high opens your ribs and releases deep tension along your entire back. Fantastic job today! You've taken a great step toward a flatter belly and a pain-free back. Which movement felt best on your back today? Tell me in the comments below. Subscribe for more daily practice, and see you tomorrow.